Wait, is that not looking like a Ford Ranger to me? For those of you all who have been watching my videos, you'd probably realize last year around the same time I posted a video of a Ford Ranger with an RB25 turbo in it. Well, yeah, since then a lot has happened, and I now have this BMW 328i E46. Car is my daily. I don't plan to do anything too extreme on the car, at least not right now. Maybe if I get another daily for my daily, then I will. I got this. I ordered this, so I have it to replace. So if anything, maybe for the next video I'll make like a little replacement. So I did some basic stuff on the car since I got it. Nothing to even brag about. Literally, the cup holder finisher was broken, so I put a new cup holder finisher. This looked like it was friggin' like it had HIV or something, so I put a little suede over the top. Yeah, besides that, I'm very ashamed to say that this is how the interior looks, but I know for a fact if I do end up keeping the car, I might go black interior, and I may not even be using this kind of seats. So yeah, that's why I'm not too hurried to fix back up seats and thing right now. Once the car driving and gets me where I need to go, right now that's the main thing. So although it gets me where I need to go and it burning a little bit of oil on the way there, yeah, it's still not a bad daily driver. Another thing that I had to do was I already changed out the hood struts, because when I bought the car, the hood struts and them wasn't holding up shit. The previous owner literally used to use this to hold up the car. So he used to put this inside here, and then you see it have a little thing on the edge there. If you watch closely, you can see the impressions where he used to put this. Yeah, so he used to stick this there and use that to prop the bonnet. So I ended up buying a set of hood struts for the car. I bought the cup holder finisher. I changed out this intake boot because steel epoxy was holding this together, so changed out that. Besides that, yeah, nothing really much that I did on the car. The car was on a set of 19-inch wheels before this, but I changed those out as well because I don't know if it's a common thing in Trinidad for drivers to go down in literally every pothole that they find. I bought a set of these 18-inch wheels and I put them on the car. That's probably the only thing I did in terms of aesthetics on the car since I purchased it in November last year. Honestly, if you don't see from me for another year, just know that I was here, and at least I'll leave a little update on YouTube, because I know the last thing you all saw was the Ford Ranger, and to some of you all this might be a little disappointing, but I see the vision, definitely see the vision, and I hope I don't sell this one because I want the vision come to life. What I keep telling myself is, yeah, the Corolla didn't go from being where it was in the span of even a year. It took me more than a year to get the Corolla to look how I wanted it to look. And I wish I had kept the van, because it would have been the same situation with the van. But it is what it is, and I hope that I keep this one and I basically bring my vision to a reality on this car. But I know it's going to take me a little while. It's definitely going to take me longer than the Corolla as well, because of course with age comes more responsibilities, and I can't just dump money into this car as I would like to. So hopefully with time the car becomes what I want it to become. But for now, that was it. I'll leave you guys with a little sound clip of the car, although when I start the car you probably won't even be hearing anything. So I think I'm going to be making it louder very soon though, so maybe that's the next upgrade after, well, not upgrade, but the next modification after the trunk grip. Alright guys, well, that's it for me. If you like the video, we'll go ahead and leave a like. If you want to subscribe for when I post next year around the same time, you can go ahead and subscribe as well. Besides that, yeah, I guess that's all. This video was really just for me to be able to look back on the car when I do start to modify it, if I do end up keeping it. yeah, this video is just for me to look back on the car and see where it came from. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you like it, go ahead and like. If you don't like it, you could go ahead and dislike. And if you want to, you could subscribe. Or if you don't like me at all, you can report the video too.